Today we're in the popular village of Cotford St Luke, which is a short drive away from Taunton, Somerset. Behind me is a 3-bedroom, semi-detached house. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Waiting for us here. Everybody seems to be staring in one direction. People seem to be frightened, even terrified. I want everybody to understand this.
If you like what you've seen on the virtual tour of this property and you'd like to arrange a viewing, or if indeed you'd like a valuation of your property, please do get in touch.
And what did you expect?
Who's going to be our future?